Welcome back guys to Better Devs. This is Johan speaking. Today I'm going to show you a brief project having in count the operators that we see on the last video. First of all, I wanted to show you how basically in this first part you will see a lot of common password and insecure password like 1345, 1346, password admin, Lotline, welcome monkey, a lot of a common password to be honest, and this is specifically um, a list of user objects. In here we will use a username and giving them a name, one Maria admin. We will put a password in this brief example to show you how this system works. Then we're gonna find a weak password. And how we're gonna do that? First of all, we're gonna test if the password that we're putting in, like um, the password that we should put in, we're gonna test if we see any uppercase letter, any number in it, or any kind of symbol, right? Then we're gonna see or remember to use the remember to see if this is not empty and if the length for the password is more than 8 characters. Also that the password that we're putting in in this case is not including this long array of untrusted password. We're gonna use the logical operator not in this case. For example, if it find a password with an uppercase letter, it's gonna give us a true statement, and we need it to be false. So we're gonna give them an not operator or not a. This is specifically that we're completing this request and seeing that it matches, and the password that does not contain uppercase letter, numbers, or symbols. We're gonna then create a map report, as you may see here, using a map, basically giving them a password, a user, a status to see if it's an unsecure or secure password, and we're gonna show this like a table in the console. So let's see how it works. And as you may see here, the system recognizes this as a secure password and this one as a secure password for Maria and admin, but for one is not a secure password. And that would be the brief explanation about this project using the operators that we saw in the last video. So as you may see here, we'll display everything in the console table to see how it brings a nice table in the console. And this is how you may see, or this is a clean way to check password string in JavaScript. I hope this works for you and you have learned something new. If you are interested in more, you can click on the like button and subscribe for more quick coding breakdowns. See you in the next time.